welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make one of my favorite recipes ever, and that is Eru, and this is from Cameroon. I was born in Cameroon. I grew up eating this, and it is absolutely one of my favorite things. I was actually able to find this on Amazon, the actual chopped Eru leaves, which I was so excited and so happy, so I had to give it a try and make this as a video. So first off, you always want to start by soaking the Eru for a little bit. Put it in warm water, let it sit, let it soak, make sure it's completely submerged. That will soften the Eru and also help clean it. This is now the meat from after I've taken it out of the pressure cooker. So I did use oxtail in this. So I put oxtail and kanda in this, and then also in any Cameroonian dish I'm making, most of them, you know, I have to have crayfish. Put a good amount of crayfish in there, put all your other regular seasonings in there. This recipe is pretty simple, and it was actually one of the first recipes I learned making, but if you want a more in-detailed video, please let me know down in the comments. So you know I always have to heat up the palm oil while the food is cooking. First I added in the spinach, and then I added in the dried up Eru. So I dried it in little chunks and then added in little chunks as well, and then I stirred it in and also added the habanero pepper with the palm oil, and then with that we get the final product. It looks so good, so amazing. You just want to let it sit for a little bit and let the soup kind of thicken up. Like, the longer you let it sit, the better it is. So Eru, honestly, I love it on day 2 way more than day 1. If you end up making this recipe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.